So this is how we play the dice game. Each of us, if it's my turn, I will roll 2 dice. Then I'll multiply. Or let's do it like this. When I roll 2 dice, you multiply. When you roll 2 dice, I multiply. Good? Let's start. Okay. Start. No. Take, and you start. Okay, don't worry. Let me start. Your name is first here, so that I will not make mistakes. Multiply 6 by 2. 6 times 2, 12. Correct. Your turn. 3 times 5, 15.
4 times 3, 14. No, 12.
12.
Mommy.
Oh, sorry. 6 times 1, 6. 5 times 6.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30.
Correct. Your turn. Try this game with your children. 5 times 6 again, 30.
2 times 1, 2.
2 times 4, 6. 2 times 4, 8.
That's a plus. That's plus.
6 times 2.
6 times 2. 6 plus 2. 12. So like 6 plus 6. Easy.
Oh, 3 and 3 times 4. 12. So we've gone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times round. So now let's play. Let's roll 3 dice. Now we'll roll 3 dice and we will find the sum.
We found the sum.
We will find the sum of the 3 numbers that shows.
Sum.
Sum means addition. So if I roll 3 dice now, you add the 3 numbers together and you say the answer. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
3 plus 2 plus 3. 8.
8, correct. 6 plus 1 plus 2, that's 9. Who is the math genius, mommy or Messi? 1 plus 1 plus 1.
3.
My goodness, you get this one.
If we could talk.
4 plus 1 plus 4, 9.
4 plus 1, 5 plus 11.
11. 4 plus 1 plus 6, 11. It's your turn. Is it your turn? Okay. 3 plus 3 plus 2, 8.
3 plus 6, 9, 10.
10, correct. So when we do 5, we'll go to subtraction and division also. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. The last round for addition.
2 plus 5, 7, 8.
8, correct.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I already have 5. I have to say it.
4 plus 6 plus 2, that's 12, correct. Mommy and Mercy,
Now
there is no
look,
winner.
6.
Now it's for subtraction. Let's drop 1 and subtract. 4 minus 1.
3.
3, correct. 3 minus 1, 2.
3 minus 2 is 0.
0. Good job. So we'll still do division when we get to 5. It's your turn. 6 minus 4, 2.
3 minus 3 is 0 again.
0. 1 minus 1, 0.
6 minus 2, 4.
Correct. 5 minus 2, 3. Try this with your children and you will enjoy it.
1.
1. 4 minus 3, 1. So this is the last one for us, the last round for subtraction also. Then we go to division. 6 minus 3, 3. Now it's time to divide. You must get it right. You must try. Even if the answer looks somehow, try, okay? Now, 5 divided by 4. How many times will 4 go in 5?
1.
It is 1, but this is how you answer it. You say 1 remainder. 4 will go in 5. How many times? It will go 1 time, right?
Yes.
Remainder what?
And the 5?
No, remainder 1.
1.
You know when you take 4 away.
Wait.
Yeah, do you understand it now? When you take 4 away from 5, right? It will go 1. When you take 4 away from 5, it will go 1 time, right? Remainder 1. Do you understand it? So that's how to play it. Do you understand it now? So we go again. 6 divided by 1.
1.
6 divided by 1. How many times will
6.
1 go in 6? 1 will go in 6 times. Good job. Messi, you're a genius. 5 divided by 2. That's 2 remainder 1. 3 divided by 1.
3.
3, correct. Roll it. 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. You, our boss is awake. 6 divided by 5.
1 remainder 1.
1 remainder 1. Correct. We are playing games.
And you can give me.
Continue. 3 divided by 2. 1 remainder 1. Come. 2 divided by 1.
2.
2, correct.
It's like I just don't
Roll
have
yours,
to
roll
look at
yours.
like that.
Yeah. 4 divided by
6.
6 divided by 4, rather. That's 1 remainder 2.
6.
Divided by 2. This is the last round.
1.
6 divided by 2.
1. Not 3.
3, correct. Roll it.
Yeah. Last one.
6 divided by 6. 1. Who is the winner? We are both winners. High five. Goodness.
Yeah.
No. Why?